want to do after finding the general term is to use the general term. How do we use the general term? We use the general term to find the nth term. So this is a video on finding the nth term. Find nth term. Now, to find the nth term, you would first of all need to find your general term. So if you have your general term, let's find one just for practice. So if we had 2, 6, 10, 14. Now in this general term, I know that I can find my d. D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4 when I find it, and my a is equal to 2. Now if I substitute into my formula, Tn is equal to a plus d bracket n minus 1, and then I'll get Tn is equal to our first term in this case is 2 plus our d is 4 bracket n minus 1. Now because I want to use the formula, I do not want to simplify this formula. So let's say they said find the 12th term. The 12th term is written as T12. So if they want you to find the 12th term, you will now then come and substitute and say T12 is equal to 2 plus 4 bracket. Now I need to substitute for my n is 12, so I'm going to put my n as 12, substitute n with 12 minus 1, close bracket. And then I just simply press my calculator, and if I press my calculator, I'll get an answer. In this case, it will become 2 plus 48 minus 4. 48 minus 4 plus 2, we are going to get 46. So that's our answer. So it's very, very simple. And as you can see, I use the formula without trying to simplify it. Because the minute I try to simplify it, I can go wrong in simplifying it. And then that means when I try to find my nth term, it's going to be very difficult. So let's say they said find T50. They said find T50. Find T50. Now to find our T50, again, we are now using the formula in its raw state. So this is going to be Tn, which is the formula that we found, 2 plus 4 bracket n minus 1. And I want T50. So to find my T50, I will substitute for n is equal to 50. This is T50 is 2 plus bracket to 4 bracket in brackets 50 minus 1, close bracket. Now I'm going to press my calculator because I definitely cannot do this in my head. So I'm going to press my calculator quite nicely. It's going to be 2 plus 4 bracket, another bracket for the 50, close bracket, minus 1, like that, and then close bracket again. I punch my calculator and I can see my answer coming up. It's going to be 198. And you need to practice using your calculator at this stage. So sometimes they can say find T50, sometimes they can say find the 10th term. You see? So they've got different ways of asking it. So the 10th term means that n is equal to 10. So in actual fact, what they want is T10. T10 is equal to 2 plus bracket 4 bracket n minus 1. And then we substitute for n is sorry, here we're supposed to write Tn first. So it's going to be T10. It's going to be 2 plus 4 bracket 10, like that, minus 1, close bracket. And this will give us 40 minus 4 plus 2 is going to give us 30. 8, like that. So it's really quite a simple way of using the equation, but it gives you the marks that you need.